Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Change Your Mind on guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chords. You'll need to learn G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Focus on precise finger placement for each shape. Practice transitioning between these four chords slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This foundational step is crucial for building your muscle memory and preparing for the full song. Next, let's break down the strumming pattern. The primary rhythm is a consistent down, down, up, up, down, up. Pay close attention to keeping your strumming hand relaxed and your rhythm steady. Try practicing this pattern at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, before gradually increasing your speed. Consistency in your strumming will give the song its characteristic feel and drive, making it sound authentic. Now let's look at the song's structure and dynamics. The song typically features distinct verse, chorus, and bridge sections. You'll want to vary your strumming intensity, perhaps a softer touch for the verses and a more energetic strum for the choruses. Understanding these dynamic shifts is key to bringing the song to life. Listen closely to the original recording to internalize these subtle but important nuances. Finally, here are some essential practice tips to help you progress. Always use a metronome. It's invaluable for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Aim for at least 15 minutes of focused practice each day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Regularly listening to the original song will also help you internalize its unique feel and nuances, guiding your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.